Restricted someone on Messenger? Now you want to check who is on your restricted list or maybe unrestrict them? Okay, then let's find that list. Open the Messenger app, tap your profile picture or the main menu, scroll down and tap Settings. Scroll down, tap Privacy and Safety. Scroll to the section called Who Can Reach You or look for restricted accounts. It might be under restricted or privacy controls. Tap Restricted Accounts or Restricted. Here you will see the full list of people or accounts you have restricted on Messenger. You can tap any name to unrestrict them if needed. Look for unrestrict or similar option. Alternative way is can be if the above option is missing in your app version, it happens with updates. From Messenger, tap Profile Picture, then Settings, again the same way Privacy and Safety. Look for People or Contacts section. Some users find it under Restricted directly. Still can't see? Try this workaround. Go back to main Facebook app, then Menu, then Settings and Privacy and Settings, then find Blocking or Audience and Visibility. Check for restricted list there. Sometimes Messenger restrictions synchronize with Facebook's older restricted list. There you go. Now you can easily see and manage your restricted list on Messenger. If this cleared up the mystery, smash that like button. Subscribe for more Messenger and Facebook guides. See you later.